Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So in this video I'm going to show you a smart way to organize your week. I'm going to use my next week working plan and how I plan everything. Week, topics, focus points. Cooking up, that's one of the points. The second one, AI agent node code. Clipping YouTube content on the Japanese language exercises on YouTube, long form videos. Topics, main tasks. So I'm going to break down those tasks into smaller ones, achievable ones. I'm going to add another group, which is the school community creation. I'm just going to add a little rule because I have too many groups. I can work on 3 groups per weekdays maximum. I'm going to dispatch the task and adjust the tasks. So the days, what I'm going to do which day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday I plan to do nothing. But this won't probably happen. I have added some tasks, breaking them down even more. Per day, tasks, workload. I just want to know, have a rough idea of how much work I will have to provide every day. Monday is going to be very heavy, while Tuesday is going to be light, relax, focusing on the language skills. Wednesday it will be standard, while I estimate Thursday to be heavy, and Friday to be heavy as well. So same. Saturday is going to be very light, and I plan Sunday to be, to not do anything on Sunday. Nodes.chickerahouses.com, it's already on, please visit it. Tasks review, readjustments, Monday. So let's start. Monday I have planned to do this mobile app. I have also planned to work on my landing page of AI agent nodes. So here are the different tasks, the project page, I have to make it. The clipping, I plan to break down 2 long form YouTube videos into 16 clips. I'm not going to add subtitles just to make it faster. Tuesday, Japanese language exercises. I'm about GLPTN3, which is a mid-level. I'm going to buy a book and start working on those exercises, find a good environment to learn, create some flashcards for the impossible kanjis. On Wednesday, YouTube long-form video. At this time I'm going to make some research and see what I want to share and make a quick demo about that topic. Wednesday as well, I'm going to go back to the cooking app and I'm going to see if I can create the release binary, the IAB for Google Play. On Thursday, I'll be working on the Chikara Studio school community that I plan to create. So I want to start with a free community. I'm going to use Rust on Kubernetes probably. So I want to recycle what I have in YouTube that people are not really watching, and in a structured way. So we have very long form videos in those playlists, 1, 2 hours, 2 hours 30, even more. When here I'm going to be providing more structure to it by breaking those down, providing more maybe some files around it. I will see. I'm not sure yet of what I'm going to do. Maybe this plan is going to change in the meantime, because this is based on checker houses, so I'll be using different rooms. So on Friday I'm going to be working also on Gumroad, which will be the checkout for the node code. That's where you're going to be delivered the code that you're going to purchase. You're going to purchase a yearly license so that you can use it commercially without any trouble. It will be a subscription, a yearly subscription. That's what I've planned. and I believe this can be achievable. I plan also to put it on Shopify, as Chicken Houses is already on Shopify, but I'm not sure because I don't want to mix up. So for the moment I go for the Gumroad. I keep Shopify in the plan, but maybe it's not going to be there at the end. Just for it to be available just in one place, to make the offer easy to understand. And also the landing page. Saturday, let's work here on the school community. Just prepare us the content, the plans. Japanese language also, we can go back to it and try to memorize all the kanjis that we have gathered during the week. On Sunday, I plan to do nothing, but probably some tasks are going to end out to be pushed to Sunday because there are some roadblocks. Not everything will be achieved, but we try our best. But for the moment I plan to do nothing. Okay, so now you're ready to have your smart week. Put your topics on, break them down, and start working on those. Dispatch them during the week. So during this week, I'm going to be doing a little series, Monday to Sunday, what I'm going to do in terms of tasks, and you're going to be able to see, and I'll be sharing that with you. In the meantime, you can visit nodes.chickerhouses.com and provide some feedback. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.